Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna make cheesy chicken drumsticks, which are quite popular nowadays. Let's make them. Take 2 tablespoons of oil, 6 chicken drumsticks, a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Now we're gonna fry it until it gets golden. So here you can see it's getting a little bit golden at this point. Now we add 1 glass of water and a pinch of garlic powder. It's just for flavor. After mixing, let it cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. So let's check the drumsticks. Make sure we reduce the water. Drumsticks are totally done. Now we're gonna wait until it gets cool. After that, I'm going to separate the bones and set them aside for later use. Now shred the chicken. Add 3 to 4 medium boiled mashed potatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of red crushed chili, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and add 1 small chopped onion and quarter cup of cheddar cheese. Now mix them well. It's time for assembling. Take a bowl of a mixture, flatten it, put the bone, add some cheese. Here I have taken half cheddar cheese and half mozzarella cheese. So the shape will be like this. Here I have taken all-purpose flour, 2 eggs and breadcrumbs. In the egg, I am adding 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Mix it well. Firstly, we're gonna dust with flour, then dip in the egg. Now coat with breadcrumbs. Now it's time to fry. Fry on a medium flame about 3 to 4 minutes until it gets golden color. It's ready. Delicious. So this was it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also check out this recipe.